Imagine a sculptor ready to create a masterpiece. The sculptor starts with a big lump of clay. This clay is like raw data. It's messy and full of impurities. You can't make anything beautiful with it yet. To create something amazing, the sculptor needs to transform the clay. They need to clean it, shape it, and mold it. In the same way, raw data needs to be transformed before it becomes useful. This transformation process is what turns data into the powerful tool we know as AI. Just like the sculptor, we need the right tools and techniques to turn raw data into something valuable. The first step for the sculptor is to clean the clay. They remove any rocks or debris that might be hidden inside. In the world of data, this is called data cleansing. Raw data can have errors, missing values, or irrelevant information. Data cleansing is about finding and fixing these problems. We remove duplicates, correct inaccuracies, and deal with missing information. This step is crucial because dirty data leads to inaccurate results. Just like a sculpture with imperfections, flawed data won't create a masterpiece. Once the clay is clean, the sculptor starts shaping it. They mold it, cut it, and give it form. This is similar to data preparation. We process and transform the cleaned data into a format that our AI algorithms can understand. This might involve sorting, organizing, or transforming the data. We select the most relevant features and create new ones if needed. Data preparation is essential because it makes the data digestible for AI algorithms, allowing them to learn effectively. With the clay sculpted, the artist now breathes life into their creation. This is where the magic happens. In AI, this is the training phase. We feed the prepared data to AI algorithms, allowing them to learn patterns and relationships. Think of it like teaching a student in a school. We provide the AI with information, data, and teach it how to use that information to make decisions or predictions. The more data we provide and the better the training, the more intelligent and accurate our AI becomes.